Hi everyone, welcome back to English speaking journey. So today is the 11th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So in this learning series, today I am going to tell the some slang word. This slang word is very useful for increase your fluency. Generally, this slang word you can observe in your office, with your friends in the general conversation. With your elder one also you can use this all slang. So first slang word is low key. Low key actual meaning is quietly, silently, or without too much attention or drama. For example, I am low key concerned about the delivery timeline. Or another example, this dependency is a low key critical for the release. So these two sentences related to office conversation. You can use low key word in your daily office conversation in the multiple way. So here I only mentioned two sentences related to office. Next two sentences going to talk with your friend in this way. I am low key excited about the weekend plan. Or you can say he is a low key very talented, just doesn't show off. So these are the use of the low key. So you try to speak all example loudly as much as possible. Then your clarity will come in your voice. Next, legit. Legit is a part of legitimate, which word I explained yesterday. So its meaning is real, genuine, valid, or truly good. For example, that's a legit concern. We should address it. Or another office sentence. This is a legit risk in the design. So these two example related to office. And another next two example, it's your casual talk with your friends. Like if you are with your friends and you are explaining about the some good restaurant. Say, that's a cafe is a legit good yar. You should try again and again. You your reason sounds legit. I have to think. So your friend is suggested something and it's looking genuinely. Then you can say your reason sounds legit. I have to think. Yeah, you can if someone give their advice to you, and that time you wanted to say that's advice is legit and practical. So these are the all example. I mentioned lots of examples, so you can practice as much as possible. Aligned. Aligned means in agreement, on same page, sharing the same understanding. It's very common in the office conversation. This word is whenever you listen to some office conversation, generally you will get this word. So here I mention, let's ensure we are aligned on the priorities. So in your daily days, some if you have any conversation and you want to just make sure everyone on the same thought or not, so that place you can use. Next example, are you aligned with the client expectation or not? So these two word related to office. Next, with your friends, for example, we are aligned on the travel plan. So be prepared for it. If you have some plan and you want to make sure ki everyone on the same page or not, so that time you can use. We are aligned on the travel plan, so we should prepare. Yeah, another good. We are aligned then. If you got confirmation and you want to make sure, then you can use good. We are aligned then. Another example, we aligned on this decision, or I am fully aligned with your thinking. Next word, pushback. Pushback meaning is disagreement express the disagreement professionally. For example, we might face pushback from finance, or you can say client give the pushback on the revised timeline. Means you wanted to have the concern about the something might be the client is going to push back again, means might be disagree, client will be disagree. So in that sense you can use these two sentences. Even in the many other way also possible, you can use this word. Another two example, I got pushback from my manager, or there were pushback when I said this idea. There was a pushback when I said idea, means you got the disagreement whenever you said this idea. So you have any disagreement with anyone, that place you can use. Okay, I push back when I shared or when I did this thing. Another example here I mentioned, we handle the pushback calmly. So whenever anyone disagree with your idea, so be calm. So in that sense, this example is. Next word is solid. Solid, this word is very common, but we never use this word in our general conversation. Its meaning, strongly reliable, yeah, well done, or good quality. For example, that's a solid proposal, means it's a strong proposal, which are reliable for your thoughts, your things. Another example, he has a solid technical knowledge, means strong technical knowledge he have. Or solid plan, I mean. After listening your friend's plan and you thought that it's a very good plan, so that time you can solid plan, I mean, means I am ready. Yeah, you did a solid job today. Means your friends, yeah, your colleague did something really extremely good. So you can say you did a good job today. You did a solid job today. Another example, that's a solid advice. If someone give the good advice to you and you want to really appreciate to that person, so you can say in this way, that's a solid advice. Definitely it is going to help me. Thank you for it. In this way you can use. Next word, fair enough. Fair enough means a polite way to accept or acknowledge the someone's point. If someone give the suggestion to you and you really agree from that suggestion politely, so you can say, fair enough, let's go with your approach. Fair enough, that's a timeline makes sense. So these two sentence is very common. You can say after two meeting you often listen this word fair enough, generally with the HR manager, yeah, your colleagues even. So next is a okay, fair enough. Even you have the conversation with your friend and you had some argument type of things and you got to know your friend is right and his suggestion is appropriate. So that time say okay, fair enough, I understand. You can say fair enough, we will do it that way. Yeah, fair enough, we will make plan in that way. Next word, stretch. Stretch means you can use this slang where you feel that challenging but still achievable with the extra effort. So that places you can use this word stretch. This deadline is a stretch. Means this deadline is a stretch. Let's treat this as a stretch goal. Stretch goal means a little bit we have to do extra work, but we will do. So in that sense, you can use let's treat this as a stretch goal. Or with your friend, you went to a showroom and you thinking that okay, is too much expenses. That time you can use buying a bike now is a stretch. Means you have to increase a little bit extra amount so that you can buy the. Another example, it's a stretch but worth trying. Something is very useful or it's very necessary for you, that places you can eat. It's a stretch but worth trying. Or if you are making plan to go to some good restaurant and your friend is you're not agree, that time you can say, don't worry, it's a little bit stretch but is a worth. After having dinner or something you can get to know. So these all are the word for the today session. You try to repeat each example again and again as much possible. I'm sure about that this all slang is going to use in your daily life and it will be really helpful for you. So please like and subscribe my channel and try to comment on the comment box if you have any suggestion. Thank you for watching.